A very good morning class. Now I welcome you again the story of French Revolution. Earlier we had studied that there was a democratic in a French Revolution. After that all the powers is in the hand of a monarchy where the king and queen was ruled over the all France country. Then there was a Napoleon Court. Here, the Napoleon Court can took over all the control of France. Then, afterwards, what happened? Napoleon Court also defeated. Then all the powers is in the hands of the aristocrats peoples. Then the new middle class people wants freedom, and they also the oppose of the privilege of aristocracy class. Then afterwards the new convertism came in the year 1815 where the all the powers is in the hands of the Vienna. Now class, if we can talk about the Vienna, basically it is a Treaty of Vienna. Treaty of Vienna means it is an agreement where the various type of steps were taken by the government to prevent French expansion. So this is all about the story of France Revolution. Now if we can move further, next topic is the revolutionaries. Basically this topic revolutionary includes that who is the Giuseppe Mazzini and how revolution day by day increases in the France country. So now let's start with the new topic, that is topic number 2.4, the revolutionaries. So class, what happened here? Here during the 1815 there was a year of repression and many liberals underground. Here the meaning of repression means there was a many type of problems that was created in the France country, and many liberals are those who are the against of the aristocrats. They all are underground. Why? Because they think that the aristocrats were totally against of the liberals. Here if we can talk about middle class people is the oppose of the aristocrats. They all said that why there is so much importance is given to the aristocracy. So now what happened next? The all liberals which belongs to the second class and the third class, they can make a secret societies, and where they can make a various type of group of peoples where all the peoples move towards the revolution. Here revolution means krantikari. The all group of peoples can or want a revolutionary. Now all the secret societies make a plan. The plan is that they can commit to oppose monarchy establishment and fight for freedom. Means all the peoples who belongs to libels, they can are the oppose of the king and queen, and they all can fight for the freedom. Here freedom is related with the different class of people. Means liberals or the middle class people wants equal rights in the constitution as with the aristocracy. Now what happened next? There was a person, the name of person is the Giuseppe Mazzini. Basically he was born in the Genoa in the year 1807. Basically Genoa is a part of the Italy city. So when the Giuseppe Mazzini was the age of 24, he can make a various types of groups and want a revolutionary, but there was some problem occurs. The problem occurs is that the Giuseppe Mazzini is totally failed in the revolutionary. So it shows that the plan that was made by the Giuseppe Mazzini is totally failed regarding the revolution. Now what happened next? In the year 1831 he was attempted into exile. Class, here the meaning of exile means deshdrohi. Means the government of the France declared that Giuseppe Mazzini was a deshdrohi और उसको देश से निकाल दिया गया. Now what happened next? After this there are the various type of groups also made for the revolutionaries. These are the two important groups and societies. First one is the Young Italy and second one is the Young young Europe. So this is all about the revolutionary, means how revolutionary took place in the France and how revolutionary increases day by day in a France country. Now if we can move further, the next one is the age of revolutionaries, means how revolutions take place from one country to the another country. Now class, what happened? Firstly, there was a French Revolution in the year 1789. Then afterwards there was a Napoleon took over in the year 1804. After the Napoleon, there was a new conservatives occurred in the year 1815, where if we can talk about the new conservative, here there are the different type of speeches and different type of freedom of speech, and it can also include the Treaty of Vienna. Treaty of Vienna means is an agreement between different countries. After the conservatives, now the revolutionary takes place. So this is all about the revolutionaries, that how revolutionary took place in the France and how revolution moves from one country to another. Now if we can talk about the revolutionaries, that liberals and nationalisms are the various type of the groups of peoples that was associated with the revolution. If we can talk about the first revolution was take place France in the year 1830 in the month of the July. Now if we can talk about that what was the result of first revolution, first one is the Bourbon restored powers. Here class, remember, Bourbon was an dynasty of the Louis Philippe. So again there was all the powers restored by the Bourbon monarchy. Then the revolutions move from one country to another country. If we can talk about the various, so revolution moves from France to Belgium, and then Belgium to Greece, and then it can move about the various country. So this is about your topic, that how revolutionaries took place in the France. So here there is an one word written, Duke Metternich. So this is very important concept. Basically Duke Metternich was a person. He says that when France sneezes, the rest France catches cold, means हर कोई चीज़ जो फ्रांस में स्टार्ट हुई थी वो सारी कंट्रीज में मूव करती है. सो दिस वॉज अ कोट दैट वॉज स्पोकन बाय द ड्यूक मेटरनिक, मीन्स when France sneezes, the rest France catches also cold, means when there was a revolution occurred in the France, all the countries of the Europe also suffers from the revolution. So class, this is all about your chapter. Thank you.